In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Pinterest history. This is a great feature that allows you to revisit those awesome pins you came across or the searches you've made in the past, helping you gather inspiration for your future projects or just keeping track of what you've been interested in. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open Pinterest and sign into your account. If you're using the app on your phone, just tap on the app icon. If you're on a computer, head over to the Pinterest website. Once you're logged in, we can move on to the next step. You'll notice a search bar located at the top of the Pinterest homepage. Go ahead and click on that search bar. This is where all the magic happens. When you click inside the search bar, Pinterest is going to respond by displaying some of your recent searches. This feature is really handy because it saves you time and makes it easier to jump back into topics you've been interested in recently. If you're looking to find specific pins you've already saved, the process is equally straightforward. Just look for your profile picture, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. This will take you to your profile, where all of your saved content resides. Once you're on your profile, look for a section labeled Saved. Click on that, and you'll see a breakdown of all the boards you've created. This is pretty cool because it keeps everything organized neatly. Depending on how you use Pinterest, you might have boards for different themes, projects, or interests, so you can easily navigate through everything you've saved. Now, click on one of your boards to open it. Inside, you'll find all the pins you've previously saved to this specific board. It's like having a scrapbook of sorts, all digital. Enjoy scrolling through the lovely images and ideas you've collected. If your collection is substantial, you might want to sift through the boards a bit. To make it easier, Pinterest often provides options to sort or filter the pins within your boards, which can help you find exactly what you're looking for without getting overwhelmed by the number of pins. As you're browsing through your boards, maybe you'll come across a pin that sparks a new idea or reminds you of something you intended to try out. That's the beauty of Pinterest. It's not only a tool for saving ideas, but also a source of inspiration, making it easier to revisit your creative moments. Now, just a tip for those of you who are heavy users of Pinterest. Consider making even more specific boards dedicated to certain projects. For instance, if you're a planner, having a board just for wedding ideas or home decor can simplify your searches and help you manage your inspiration more effectively. So there you have it. That's how to check your Pinterest history, from recent searches to revisiting your saved pins and boards. It's a nice way of reflecting on your journey through creativity and discovering what truly inspires you. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest and other awesome platforms.